Well, hello. So I'm recording this video with my Samsung S7 Edge, and I had this phone for about 6 years now, and I got it right before the S8 was released. And this phone is still working pretty good. There's no wrong with the battery or whatever, but the performance of it is not really up to date. So decided to get an upgrade, and I don't upgrade my phone that often. I have them for at least 5 years, so I usually get the high-end model of the phones. So this time around I got the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and it's the 256 gigabyte version, because the 512 and the 1 terabyte is way too expensive. 256 is more than enough for me, so I just got it. So let's see if I can unbox this. And by the way, I also got the case for it, just a back case, and also a charger, 25-watt charger from Samsung. I got the one with the cable, so I got an extra cable. There's no charger included with the phone, but there's a cable included, so you don't really need the cable in this, but hey, it's nice with a spare one. And let's see if I can open this without damaging it too much. I want the knife. So let's see. So I got the black model. So yeah, that's kind of how it looks. In the case, it's kind of big. The camera over there. Let's see, get it out. Yeah, that's the phone itself. It's kind of big. It's actually a little bit bigger than the S7 Edge. So there's the back side with the cameras stuff. So got a, okay, so this is just a cover, plastic cover. And this, I think, a cover over here too, yeah. Ooh, it's so shiny. That's what Apple users usually say. Ooh, it's so shiny. So yeah, so the SIM card is over here. Open it over here, I guess. I'm going to charge this as well before I actually use it. So this is just the unboxing of it all. That's the phone. Then we got some other stuff here. I don't know. Yeah, it's the cable. It's a USB cable. It's USB-C on both ends. So yeah, that's the cable. And I've got some papers. I guess it's just the quick start guide and some warranty stuff, different languages. So what does it say? Nothing much, I guess. Yeah, that's that. Put that in here again. And I will take this off. Extra. Okay, sorry. No. it's kind of hard to open it. Or are you supposed to open it? I don't know. What the hell? Like that. Have to do the same thing with this, I guess. God damn. It's kind of hard to open this. There you go. So that's the cable. It's about 1 meter long. And what's that? 1 inch is like 2.5 centimeters. So I guess 10 inches is 25. So like 30 inches. Yeah. Cable for it, and let's put this back in here. There's nothing else. Put this back in here as well. The covers, they are kind of sticky as well. Well, something like that. And then we got the case. Let's see, put the phone over there. Don't scratch it too much. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so you need to cut it loose. So yeah, that's the case for it. So yeah, it covers something like that. Yeah, I need to put in the SIM card and stuff, but yeah, you get the point. It's a cover for it. So yeah, it's nice to have a new phone, and there's a bunch of cameras here. There's one of them is like 108 megapixels and whatnot. But yeah, so I need to read a little bit more about the phone. I just got it. So yeah, catch you later.